Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect your gaming console like an Xbox or PS5 to your DREAME 43Q100 TV. The first thing that you're gonna need to do is connect your gaming console to the power source. So for example, in this PS5 the power cord is connected to the port on the back side, on the bottom of this console. The other side of the cord, of course, goes into the power outlet. And once your gaming console is connected to the power source, we're gonna need to use a high-speed HDMI cable, preferable HDMI 2.1. And one side of this cable goes into the HDMI port on the back side of the console, and the other one goes into one of the three available HDMI ports on the back side of your TV. All three of them can be reached from the left side of the TV, and you can use any of them. And once you have inserted your gaming console, once you have inserted the cable, HDMI cable into your TV, power on your gaming console, and normally it should automatically switch the input to your either Xbox or PS. But if it didn't, just press this sources button on your remote control and then switch the source to your HDMI port which has the console connected to it, and then wait until you see the PS5 or an Xbox screen. And let's wait a moment. And as you can see, everything works just fine. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.